Welcome back to Mackland Cadets. Today had a load of Cub Cadets come in. Make sure you check out my community page to see how they came in on a tractor trailer. Have a 2130 right here. Probably all these machines will end up going for parts. And I'm going to give you a walk around. Had 7 machines roll in today. Right here is one of the box store ones. LX 1042. Now, these are trade-ins. Some of them have motor issues. We're going to have to dig through them, see what we have. This one here seems to be in great shape. The deck seems to be really good shape also. Has that Courage 20 in it. Next one we have is an LTX 1042 KW. That means Kawasaki. FR600V. What's the dealer tag say on it? Trade in. So hopefully this one's a good one. Both these last two have the single lead. That one there's been in the weeds a little bit. There's our big skid steer. We have 2 skid steers, a 465. I believe that was the first 465. We bought that machine. It came from the Empire Farm Days up in Auburn, New York. Then it came to Mackland. We really are very loyal to the Case brand because they have the Cummins motor. We have the Cummins engine plant here in Jamestown, New York. Here's a 2518. Has that deck that everyone needs. Has a command in it. Definitely seen a few birds. Hopefully that motor runs and we can sell that one. Then we have a 3000 series. This machine here looks really clean. Single remote, so it just has the lift. Has a 54-inch deck, I believe. Yep, 54. Has the Kohler Courage in it. This machine here is extremely clean. Missing the headlight bezel, or the lens. Z-Force commercial. The next one, you're not going to believe what I bought. Now, machines come into Mackland each and every day. This is the one I really wanted. A 1772 with a Haben on it. A little bit rough. Not sure the motor runs. Might have a driveline problem. I believe the transmission case is broke. Let's get underneath and take a real quick look. And I believe it is. No, it's there on this side. Hopefully that Kubota motor runs. I've never owned a 1772. Let's take a look on this side here. Can't tell if that flange is good or bad in this one right here. But definitely going to try to get this 1772 running and keep it in my collection. You don't see too many 1772s in this area. The dash bezel doesn't look in too bad a shape either. So that's what came into Mackland today. Thank you very much for tuning in to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And we'll see you on the next video.